T-Rex is here. Today, we want to make a simple and nostalgic game using JavaScript. Hi pals, I'm Army. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel to motivate me and like this video to help me get more views. Today, we want to make a simple and nostalgic game using JavaScript. And everybody's know that time is money, so let's do this. Create three files for HTML and CSS and for JavaScript. In index.html, create a simple doc and linked styles. Then create a script tag. All we need in body is a division for game scene and a p tag to show score, another div for player, and for last one a division for enemy. We're done in HTML. Let's styling these elements in style.css. We need 800 pixel width and 450 pixel height and the border to see this lovely division. 1 pixel solid and position relative, because we want to position the rest of elements relation to game scene. And maybe transform scale 0.6. Let's set this. Okay, cool. And for player, we need 100 pixel width and 100 pixel height, background color green, position absolute, from left 0 and from top 350 pixel. Because our game scene is 450 pixel and for player is 100 pixel. 450 pixel minus 150 pixel equal to 350 pixel. Let's say this. Cool. And let's styling enemy. Width 50 pixel, height 50 pixel, and background image, background color red, position absolute, and from right 0 and bottom 0. Okay, good. Now let's make an animation for this enemy with &sign keyframes, with enemy name from 0 present, from right 0 and to 1% of animation, go 100% from right. Animation for enemy, enemy for animation name, 1.4 second for animation duration, and infinite for animation iteration count, and linear for animation timing function. Let's see this. Cool. Now we need an animation for player jump. &sign keyframes, player from 0 present, stay on 350 pixel from top and in 50 present. Go to 250 pixel from top and until 80 present stay there, and when animation goes for 100%, go back to 350 pixel from top. Copy this and paste here for animation and just rename it to player. Okay, good. But we don't need this animation every moment. Just when we press the space button, we need this. So let's make a class for jump and copy this and paste here. Okay, cool. Now we're done in style.css and go for app.js. When we press the space button, so we need document dot body dot onKey up. Go for function and get event if event dot key dot code equal to space to player class list add jump class. Okay, yes, it's good, but it play again and again and again because it have jump class, but we don't want it. So let's use set timeout function and after 500 milliseconds, and let's change it to 0.5 second and 500 millisecond or 0.5 second. Set timeout, copy this and remove from class list jump. Okay, this is good, and every time when we press down this space, our score should be increased a bit. So we need a variable for our score at first, and it equal to 0 at first. Then when we press space button, our score should be increased, score plus 1, and in set interval in every moment, for example 10 milliseconds, we need this paragraph with ID score underline P, for example. Copy this, save this file, score underline P dot inner HTML equal to score. Okay, good. Yes, it works. And let's go for game over condition. Our player width is 100 pixel and our enemy width is 50 pixel. And our enemy goes from right to left again and again. Okay, if the enemy position from left is less than 100 pixel, it means it toggle to our player because our player width is 100 pixel. But maybe our player going to jump. So we have another condition for game over. If the player from top is more than 300. Why? Because the height of player is 100 pixel and the height of enemy is 50 pixel. And 50 pixel and 100 pixel is 150 pixel plus this 300 pixel is equal to 450 pixel, and it's the game scene height. Okay, so we have two conditions. If player from top is more than 300 and enemy from right is from left is more than is less than 100. Okay, then let's make this. In set interval, if enemy dot offset left less than 100 and enemy and player dot offset top is greater than 300. Make a function enemy dot offset, yes, and maybe alert game over. Okay, let's see this. Game over. Yes, game over, and it works. Boom. This is so cool. Yes, it works, and our game was completely. And let's go for a style and make a background image for enemy with URL /, enemy.png, and delete the background color, and for player background image with URL / player.png, and delete the background color. We need background size contain and background repeats, no dash repeats, and copy this and paste it for enemy. Okay, cool. Game over. Game over. It's so hard. Yes. Cool.